YouTube, oh YouTube, how art thou doing, YouTube? We got some economic data out. Worse than expected, you fuckers. Go take this and shove it up your fucking pie hole, alright? Look at this here. What did I tell you? Worse than expected by point 0.1. We got a 0.1 increase of the PPI and core PPI. That's producer price index. So the price is rising. Now, it would make sense that the inventories are shrinking. If inventories are shrinking, that's less supply. That's going to increase the price. But we're going to have to see. It just could be inflation, my friend. It could just be inflation in prices. Inflation in your face. Producers gotta raise the cost cause everything's more expensive. Alright, that was my little song there. You can go take that and shove it up your asshole. You know, I try to be entertaining, and I entertain myself, because if I make 5 videos a day, that's fucking... I'm spending hours a day making videos, editing, looking for content, examining the markets just for you guys. So that's where we're at. We got CENX backing off here. You know, it doesn't appear that it's going to run right this second, but give it some time, let it reset. It looks like it found bottom here. No more selling happened. It's bottomed out at 1955. So we're going to have to check that, see where that goes. Right now we have the indices, baby, please, kind of I don't want to say coming down here, but it's weird. We got multiple signs, you know. We got Dow Jones right here telling us, hey, look at that. You see that MACD, that light green MACD right here, baby, please? Look at that. That means increasing strength. But the red candle, red amp, what's going on, guys? Well, look at here. Here we didn't even get any super light green. We just kind of faded down in strength. So let's pop them up all on 10 minutes, Mr. Miyagi. Wax on, wax off, you sons of bitches. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Well, look at here. That CCI popped off too much. It's probably going to have to, you know, come back up. But, again, we're getting, here we go, lower lows, ladies and gents. Here we got higher low, but the comp's the most important. And these guys don't swing as much as the comp. The comp swings because it's got the most important high growth stocks in it. That's why it moves. Now we're gonna have to just watch this trend line, because it is important. You see, cannot break both ways without major swing. Okay, well that's that. We got that awkward bit out of the road. Well, you know, I still have no idea the direction of the markets. I think we're just going to have to wait and see, let it open up. I'm assuming just because we headbanged off the resistance that we're going to swing down. That's just what I think's going to happen. You know, I wouldn't bet on it, though. This is a sketchy market. We don't know what's going to happen. You know, I can't believe they fucking did this with Z. Remarkable, isn't it? Isn't it just remarkable how they save these markets, or they say the right thing at the right time? They wait and wait and wait until, you know, oh, and it's ridiculous in the headlines. You know, the market's down, no one can explain it. So what do they say? Oh, it's just you know, we're worried about this trade here. You know, that's absolute bullshit. You can go take that fake news and I don't know, put it on CNN. I don't want to hear it. I don't even watch that shit. So go. I'm not involved. All right. Enough of my ranting and raving here. Well, you know, otherwise I really don't have any stocks I'm gonna be playing right now. Nothing that I could see here. We got a 10 o'clock wholesale inventory, so I'll definitely, for February, I'll definitely come and say hello to my lovely YouTube channel in a bit. Maybe I can get some Let's actually check out, the 10-year and 30-year gap here. So we're at 318 minus 2794. Now we're at 224.224. So that's pretty low. That's not the lowest we've been, but that's close to it. That's pretty low. So, the tighter that gap gets between the two, and then the more it inverts, is the more we're into recession. But supposedly that's different this time, says the Fed. But I don't know. I don't believe them. You can't believe the fake news. Wholesale prices in U.S. increased in more than forecast in March. No one wins from a trade war. Underestimating risk. Let's just scroll through the headlines, boys. Recent sell-off overdone. The ruble has collapsed to the weakest dollar against the dollar since 2016, crashing over 8%. Fallout from the latest U.S. sanctions continues to weigh on investors' sentiment. Market stability worries me. It feels like we're sitting on the top of a volcano. Certainly, we've had the ups and downs. Pledges to open economy, cut tariffs. Yeah, yeah. So last night I said that he just wanted to do his own trade, but what really happened, and I kind of messed up with this, was that he was saying that he wanted to give Americans the intellectual property rights and open up for the tariffs, like, and not have them. Goldman. This is the last interview. This guy sometimes has some good stuff here. Yes, yes, I looked into that, and LIBOR, okay, the one is okay. While growth is looking softer, while growth is looking softer, it remains far from soft. Yeah, well, let's see how this situation erodes. Is Overall, it's becoming less pleasant, but the baseline outlook for the economy, and monetary policy hasn't changed much. Growth is a bit weaker, inflation is a bit higher, financial markets are definitely more volatile, and economic imbalances, especially in government finance, are starting to become more visible. All right, guys, I'm not going to be putting links up. I'm so sorry. You can. I'm just reading through this. There's nothing to cover. These futures are flat here. It looks like they're going up again, but looks like we might be spiking too much, too quickly, too soon. And you know what that means, guys? You take the stairs up, elevator down. With that being said, I think I'm going to have to let you guys go. There's really nothing to cover. The futures are sideways. No stocks are moving. So that's that, guys. It's a shame. I'm really tired. There's a lot of work to do today. I'm curious to see where these markets go, and that's all we're gonna have to do is go ahead and wait and see what the deal is. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please comment. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon.